G'day, I'm Adam Roberts and welcome to Get Real. I'm on a cooking and barbecue journey to explore and uncover real ingredients, cooking techniques and stories with real Aussie experts to get the most out of my new Firehawk smokers. Today I'm with renowned Indigenous chef and friend Mark Olive, where we'll explore real bush ingredients, native produce and bring it all together over an open flame.
Today we're on Barbeques country here, just outside of Port Macquarie. Very special place. You can feel it. We're up in the mountains. Adam, I'm really excited. We're going to be cooking a piece of kangaroo on the Firehawk today with these amazing Indigenous flavours.
Oh, I can't wait to get into that.
There's a real stigma in Australia about people eating kangaroo, but what we've got to remember for Indigenous people, they were never our coat of arms. They were part of the Dreamtime stories, totems, clothing, and really important in the community. Once we get past that stigma, I think Australia will be on the right foot about eating the protein, because it is a great protein.
It's good eating, it's flavourful, plenty full supply as well.
Why not? They're tasty. Okay, so with this kangaroo, we're going to give it real depth, real flavour. Always use a bush tomato. Now, the bush tomato is an amazing fruit. So with that, we're also going to put some wattle seed in. Now,
Flavour coming
it's
through.
Nutty, it's almost like caffeine. We've also got some mountain pepper with the lemon myrtle that we've mixed up here. Now, the mountain pepper originated down in Tasmania, down the Palawa people down there. Got a bit of a bite.
She's got some punch, that one.
Yep. This is the pepper berry off the same tree. It's got a real warmth to it.
Ooh, and it kind of builds. It's a creeper.
Oh, it's a creeper. But look, add a little bit of water to this. Look at that colour, building and building. It's that real burgundy. Oh, that gives it that heat that we're looking for as well. Here we have the salt bush.
To balance out that pepper.
And here we have the lemon myrtle. Look at this. This is the fresh leaf. When you look at it, look at that gloss and green to it.
It's really healthy, yeah.
Yeah, take that. Now crush that in your hand.
Wow, that's one of the strongest smells that you can have with cooking. That's just really, that's really aromatic, that one.
Oh, it is. Grind it up, and this is what you have here. So it's pretty amazing. And that's the great things about these flavours, the Indigenous flavours, they cross over. So that's going to be really nice with the kangaroo. What we'll do with that fillet, we'll pat that down, then we'll rub a little bit of oil, then we'll coat that just on the top, because we don't want too much. The kangaroo, this is the best part, the best cut, I reckon, which is just above the tail.
Okay.
So the two fillets down the side, you look extremely lean, extremely good for you. Everything together, so a very important animal. We're ready to bung it on the Firehawk.
We've got some beautiful kangaroo fillets here. We've got our binder on there. That seasoning mix has really started to attach itself. So all we're going to do is just put this over those beautiful charcoal briquettes. You can hear that sizzle from that grill.
Yeah.
You can start to see a little bit of that smoke. We're going to turn these maybe every 30 to 40 seconds. Just make sure we get that beautiful rolling heat around there. Temperature's set quite high. You want that sizzle, but you don't want it too high where you're cooking it too quickly. You want the outside to cook, but the inside not to be raw or overdone. So it's a really fine balance. But with this particular grill, you just put enough charcoal in just to give you that medium heat, and it's good to go. Well, I might turn these, make sure we got that nice sort of grill mark on the back end, as you can see there. Nice and charry. We'll just give those a little bit of a flip, make sure we don't overcook without too much.
I'll tell you what, this Firehawk holds the heat, doesn't it?
It does,
It's amazing what's coming off there.
Yeah. Perfect for grilling stuff like this though. You've got the meat really close to that fire, and let's face it, we've been cooking meat over fire for thousands of years, and this is just one of the ways that cooking over fire has evolved. So here we have it. Now we're going to let these rest for a little while, just get some of that liquid, and we're just left with a beautiful, lean, sort of soft textured meat with a little bit of crust on the outside.
Exactly. And geez, looks amazing.
It sure does. So there we have it, a beautiful kangaroo fillet steak cooked on the Firehawk Kamado with a salad on the side. I've learned so much about bush cooking today. These native ingredients, plentiful everywhere. It's great to be cooking off the land. And I'll be taking some of these techniques and flavours into my cooking going forward.
For more Get Real stories and recipes, visit firehawkgrills.com.au.